Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this wire rope crimping tool from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at the contents, look at the features, and test it out. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, this kit included one roll of stainless steel rope cable. I think it is 1/16 of an inch. It came with a pack of 30 thimbles, 200 crimping sleeves, and 2 crimping tools. So let's check out the crimping tool. They're both identical. You have the safety lock here, on and off. You just apply a little bit of pressure here and slide that down, and the handle will release. And then you can squeeze the handles and operate the crimper and the cutter. And then for safety, just squeeze it closed and then raise up the lock and then release pressure on the handles. Okay, the crimper is made of heavy duty stainless steel for corrosion resistance and durability. It features non-slip grips for comfort and grip. You have 4 different crimping sizes: 0.1 to 0.5 millimeters, 0.5 to 1.0 millimeter, 1.0 to 2.0 millimeter, and 2.2 millimeters. Also featured on each side of the crimpers are cutters to cut the cable. Just release the safety lock, and you can see the cutter on this side, and it's the same as the one on the other side. So again, this kit came with 200 crimping sleeves that are also stainless, and you can kind of see what these look like. It will accommodate 2 16-inch cables, and the kit also included 30 stainless steel thimbles. Then you have this 1/16 inch stainless steel cable. So let's actually cut a piece of this cable. To cut the cable, you would just measure it to length, place it in the slot here, and then squeeze the crimper. And you can see it easily cut the cable in two. So then you take the one end of the cable, thread it through 1/2 of the crimping sleeve, then make a loop and feed the other open end to the other side of the crimping sleeve. Okay, it looks something like this. Then take the thimble, put it on the inside of the loop, and then just pull your cable down until it fits tightly up against the thimble. Then place the thimble and crimping sleeve in the appropriate slot there, and then squeeze both handles together to crimp the sleeve. You could do one on the top, one on the bottom. Then the extra cable you can cut off. Okay, we'll do one more. Just thread it to the sleeve, crimping sleeve. make your loop, thread it back through, place your thimble, slide the sleeve where to be secure. Then you're ready to crimp the sleeve. There you have it. Provides a very tight crimp that can be used to hang pictures on, use as a clothesline or railing cable, or like patio deck railing, for multiple uses. So I highly recommend this wire rope crimping tool kit.